finally made it to Dubai. We are here. We are staying at the Arjan Rotana in Dubai Media City. I got this one because it is close to the beach. It's close to Palm Jumeirah. It's close to some of the malls, but it's not downtown. It's not like right on top of the airport or anything. So we actually booked a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but we came in really late. Our flight came in at like 12, and I think it's like probably like 1 or something like that. So we're thinking they probably gave away our room. So we ended up getting this. We're at the door, and I will give you a tour. So you walk in, and to your left, you have the kitchen with a refrigerator with beers and things that we are very thirsty, but we are not going to touch. We have our washer dryer there with some complimentary detergent. Fully stocked kitchen, plates, dishes, microwave, stove, oven, refrigerator, and what's in here? Oh, dishwasher. Okay. Alright. Come back out here. We have our living area. They even gave us the dimming lights and all this extra. Is this a balcony out here? This is another balcony, Chase. There is a balcony out there. Here we go. This is one of our balconies out here. Beautiful view. I think this is Jumeirah out here. This is our view from the living room. Oh, look at down there. That is beautiful down there. I don't know what that is, but that is beautiful. I think that's another resort. This is the view from the living room balcony. It's really nice. It's really humid out here. It's a pretty quiet area. Doesn't seem like too much is going on down here. Okay, it's hot out here. And I will show you, I booked a 1-bedroom, 2-bath, but they gave us a 2-bedroom, 3-bath. This is our powder room. This is the bigger room. I would say this would be the master bedroom with its own balcony, the same view as the balcony from the living room. A TV, little get ready station, sitting area, closets, another balcony out here. This one's bigger. We can't figure out how to get the door open. This was the bathroom for the master bedroom. It has a bathtub with a shower in it and a standalone shower and the toilet. Let's go over to the second bedroom. It's smaller than the bigger one, than the other one, but I thought this was going to be the size of the bedroom that we were going to have. This is the bathroom for that second smaller bedroom. Just a regular shower and tub, toilet situation, and a bedroom. No closet, little sitting area, no balcony of its own. But this is a full-on apartment. Full-on apartment. 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. 4 people can shower. 3 balconies.
This place is huge. There's 2 people for 1 week. But I like it. I think it's a pretty good deal.
Travelocity had a $200 off coupon. It was 20%, but the cap was $200. We would have got $300 off, but the cap was $200. So that is our Dubai apartment that we will be staying in for the week. It's late. I'm thirsty. We have to get up early in the morning because we are going ATVing in the desert. So I will talk to you later. So it is our first morning and I had to get this on camera. This is so beautiful. Like, we are in Dubai. It's like hitting me. Now I can see everything and it's so pretty. We are on our way to ATVing this morning. We're a little tired. I think we got about like 2 or 3 hours of sleep. They're supposed to come get us in like half an hour, 45 minutes or something like that. So it's time to get ready, but I looked out the window and it is a Dubai morning and I'm excited. We're going out to the desert. It's our first time out here and this is so pretty. You can actually see the Burj Al Arab. I don't know if you can see it from this balcony. No, I'm not getting closer because we are on the 15th floor. So I'm gonna have to get that later. But it's so pretty. All right, gotta get ready. Okay, so we just did, what, 45 minutes? 45 minutes ATVing out in the desert in Dubai. That is our guide. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. That is our guide. He is great. It is hot out here and I look a mess.
Sleep with me.
I was trying to keep up. But you know, I didn't want to leave everybody behind, you know. So I'm serious. I didn't want to leave everybody behind. So okay, you know what? When we go back out,
He's full asleep.
right? He was back there,
yes,
all the way asleep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back out, do another 45 minutes, and have an amazing time. We just got back from ATVing and it was really fun. We were out there for about 4 hours and it was really hot. I mean, we were just ATVing with camels out there, donkeys. It was so much fun. I think it was the first time I've ever been that close to a camel, so that was amazing to me. But we had a really good time. We went through Viator. That's what we booked on, so it was one of those tours and safaris that they have on there. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We haven't eaten at all day because the ATV was just ATV. They picked us up, took us out, we ATV'd through the desert, and then they brought us back. So it's about, I think it's about 3 o'clock and we haven't eaten yet. We're very tired. We only got 2 hours of sleep last night because we got in at 12:30. Our flight got in at 12:30 in the morning, and then we came here, showered. By the time we got food, it was about 5 o'clock by the time we went to sleep. And then we had to be up by 7 for the ATV. They came and got us. We're tired, probably gonna take a nap. I don't want to take a nap because this is a big trip and I want to make the most of all the time that I'm here, but I'm really tired and I know if I don't take a nap I'm gonna crash. So I think I'm gonna take a nap. We're going to find something to eat, find some food around here. I think there's some Lebanese and Jordanian food places around the area, so we're gonna try that and see what else is up for our day. The fountain. We want to see the fountain show. Just came from eating. We went to a little cafe over by our hotel, Quarantina. We ate there and we are now at Dubai Mall to see the fountain show. And I think we're going the right way. I'm not really sure. That is the Burj Khalifa. There we go. There we go. It's there. Right now we're waiting on the fountain show to start up. It's gonna be right there. It's supposed to be really pretty. Watching the fountain show. I thought it was gonna be a little longer. It was one song, but it was nice. Right now we're in Dubai Mall, just walking the mall, looking at what we could buy, trying to get Chase some traditional wear. He's something to wear while we're out here, and I actually need to get something too for when we go to the mosque in Abu Dhabi. So today is the end of day 1 and our first full day in Dubai. It's 12 in the morning here. Today we did our ATVing. We came back, napped for a while. We were really tired. So we did take a nap. We went out to eat. We hit Dubai Mall. We saw the fountain show. We walked the mall a little bit trying to figure out what type of stuff they have. They have everything there. So far, I like Dubai. It's more westernized. I knew it was westernized, but especially when we hit the mall, we realized that there's a lot. I was really worried about what I was wearing and if it was appropriate, and when I went to the mall, it's pretty much all everything. There were midriffs and shorts and all of that, so I don't feel too bad anymore about what I'm wearing and the appropriateness of it. But of course, when you go to mosques and things like that, then it's more important that you adhere to dress codes. So far, I'm liking everything. Don't have anything really bad to say. I like Dubai. Dubai is great. So tomorrow we are doing skiing. We are going to go skiing, take some skiing lessons, see some penguins, and I think that's pretty much all we're doing for the day.